Welcome back. I want to thank each and every one of you who clicked. My name is Rockstarjoehang, but you can call me Rockstar for short. Here's what really surprised me the most. I didn't realize how many of you guys out there were just sick and tired of being that little guy, 5'10", just skinny, right? I want to thank each and every one of you who subscribed. Wow, a couple videos I did like a couple days ago really took off. I got a lot of engagement, and that was just cool to see. Now that I know what you guys are, the question you guys are asking, I can easy make videos about it. I'm gonna do some hamstring stretches because you know me, I'm telling you guys, it's very important for you. Let me set the machine up. The crazy part about creating videos is when I just create videos, a lot of times I'm just really speaking my mind. I'm documenting the journey, and I just want to share with you guys just my experiences. And it just blows my mind how a video can just take off like that, and then all of a sudden I'm getting engagement, good engagement. And I realized there's a handful of you guys out there who are just like me. Quickly jumping in, let's get to the nitty-gritty. I got a comment saying, and I didn't realize that there was a lot of people about my build, my height, 5'10". I started off at 120 pounds. That was my journey. I was just this scrawny little Asian kid. You don't have to be skinny to apply what I am telling you guys right now. This method will work for everyone. So if we just happen to be on one side of the spectrum, and then if you're kind of like heavy set, overweight, you're on the other side of the spectrum. I'm just stretching real quick as I talk to you so I can be more efficient. We just want it changed. You guys just want it to change. You guys want to be better, a better version of yourself, and you're just out there putting in the work. And I wish someone out there guided me and gave me like a roadmap, because there's a lot of things I tried that did not work. Yeah, so one question I got that really stood out, he said that he's been lifting weights, but he hasn't gained weight, and I want to address that. Do not worry about the weight. Worry about your routine. Worry about showing up every day, and worry about just making a good schedule. That's gonna help you out. The weight will come. If you apply what I'm telling you, it's gonna work for you too, okay? A lot of times, I hear people make excuses, and let me tell you what those excuses are. When they say stuff like, oh, I'm just trying to bulk up. Bro, you're already big. You need to lean out. If you just lean out, if you lose like 10, 15 pounds, imagine how shredded you will look. So if you guys want to build muscle, you definitely gotta come every day. And you can't follow these fitness influencers because they don't have your body type. And then also you can't compare your chapter 1 to their chapter 12. Most importantly is making sure you're doing the sets correctly, whether you're doing chest, back, arms, legs, bis, tris. Just make sure that you're doing it correctly, and then make yourself a schedule. You gotta realize that. You gotta realize your goals, okay? Are you a bodybuilder? I'm not. I like playing basketball, I like swimming, I like nature stuff. So that's not for me. I find it fascinating how just your mindset is like just making excuses. Eat right, find a good routine, and it will work. You will build muscle. A lot of people are big because they got a lot of fat. What I learned during my journey is this: our body types are really different. Just know that your body type, we're running like our body type's like a Ferrari. We're running on a V12, okay? So that means whatever we eat, it just burns right off. So the good and the bad. The good it almost feels like you could eat anything you want. And just because you could eat anything you want doesn't mean it's going to be good for you, because your muscles need nutrients. Here's the bad part. Because you're able to burn calories that fast, it's hard to build muscle too, because muscle needs these nutrients and our body's just flushing it out. So why would I train like that? It doesn't make sense. Know your body type. If you're clicking this channel or you're clicking this video, it's because you have my build. We're the exact same build. I think we are Ectomorphs. I think that's what we are. So our body type's already different. So we gotta treat it differently. So it's very important to understand what our calorie intake is, meaning how much is your body burning calories per day. Mine's about anywhere from 4,000 to 5,000, maybe even 6,000 calories a day. So I'm really just spitting out food. So the hard part is with that is just basically we always got to be eating something, and that's the dangerous part. Make sure you're just not eating junk food and McDonald's and pizza and hot dog, because that does nothing for your body. If anything, use that to your advantage, and I think that's an advantage, because I don't believe in just bulking up and just eating a bunch of shit and then cutting weight. No, I'd rather look good and lean and rip as I grow the muscles. So if that's you, then stick around, because I can share some of my insight with you, and hopefully it will help you in your journey. We don't build muscle that easily, so I think that's one of the reasons why we have to come more often. Our muscle needs more stimulation, and when we work out often, what's gonna do for you, it's gonna make you more hungry. And when you're hungry, as long as you're eating a high protein diet, greens. My rule of thumb is this: if your food doesn't look colorful, then it's probably not healthy for you. For example, French fries, what color is that? Dark brown. Fried chicken, what color is that? Dark brown. If it's not colorful, it's not for you. I can't even tell you how many times that I see dudes bigger than me, can't even bench more than me. So explain that to me. You want to mix veggies with, for me, tuna. I love tuna, eggs. So hard-boiled eggs, tuna, veggies, mix that up. Add a protein shake to it, maybe. And a lot of your workout is what you eat. 80% of your workout is what you eat. So have a good schedule for your food, and drink good water, alkalized water. I highly recommend it. So drink alkalized water and use that to your advantage. Our bodies are burning calories at 100 miles per hour. They might look bigger, but doesn't mean they're stronger, because muscle is muscle. If you want a nice physique, you got to cut the fat. So what that means is we don't ever have to worry about cutting weight, leaning out. We're lucky. We just get to be leaning out all the way to our goal. And that's the cool thing about being or having our body type. That way you can get all the definition that you want. And I believe that's everyone's goal. I mean, or else why would we be working out, right?